Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkBook 14s, and in this video I will show you how to check this device's warranty status. So the first thing we'll need to know to check the warranty status is the serial number, which is located on the bottom cover of the laptop right here. You can check it right here. SN stands for serial number, and the characters next to it is the serial number of your device. So take your time and write it, check it out and write it down, or take a picture of it, and afterwards we can proceed to checking the warranty status. So now that we know the serial number of our device, let's go to our browser and search for LENOVO warranty check. Usually a local website will come up. I will also translate it for you. Because they all look pretty much the same at this page, but it's only the language that's different. So let's wait until this website loads up. And as you can see, the website has just loaded up. So right here we'll have to select PC. Might take a while. And once you're on this page, just input the serial number of your device into this field, the one you took a picture of or written down. Okay, and then select approve. And as you can see, here is the laptop. And as you can see, for me the warranty has ended, as you cannot see right now because it doesn't want to translate this page. But generally you can find all the information about your device, and also the warranty status is right here on the page. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.